You are learning German by yourself and want to learn faster. Avoid a lot of mistakes in the beginning. What you need to do is to train for skills. Listening and understanding, writing and speaking. And everything in once. How to do it if you have no teacher on your side or someone like native speaker? No problem. There is professional support for you. German Beggars Dictionary, developed extra for students by German Language Academy. dvds.de. It's available on web or as an app. You choose what is most suitable for you. There is a lot of information. You don't need to understand everything, but you need only few things. This is 1, 2, and 3. And now I show you how you can practice vocabulary and training for skills.